Hi, I'm Neil. This is a short video on the Bridgesew 335 tubular arm walking foot machine. We'll start off by threading the machine up. I'm just going to go through just one of the holes here. I don't need to go through all of them. Just creates more tension. Go through that one, down through the second one, up and around that, over here. And see, and then around the tension assembly, around the take-up spring, make sure it's caught in there. We'll thread this guide through the take-up lever, back down, catch this guide again, into the felts, through the needle thread guide, and then of course the needle is round at the top. It's got a groove on one side, scarf on the other. The scarf goes to your right, and then we thread the needle. Okay, next we'll take the bobbin case out. Drop your bobbin in. Doesn't really matter which way you put it in. I usually put it in so that it spins clockwise, but it's not. It doesn't really matter. Into the groove there around the spring. Take your bobbin case, and it's going to go in with the opening to the top. There's only one place that'll snap into place. And we'll put our cover back on and pick up our bobbin thread. Okay, so we're all set. Right now I've got it programmed at 500 stitches per minute. You go over here, this is my stitch length. Reverse it down. If I want a longer stitch length, push that down, dial this counterclockwise. I'm going to make a longer stitch. You wanted to speed the machine up, down here to the servo motor, got an arrow up and an arrow down. It's just a matter of pushing the button up, hold it. It's going to increase the stitches per minute or decrease it. Fill a bobbin. We're going to grab this hole here, come down right in here, through that hole there, go around your tensions, come over, around your bobbin, snap it into place. And it's all ready. Now you have another adjustment here on this swing nut that gives you the height of your walking foot when you're sewing. If I take and slide up, it's going to lift higher, all the way up. As you can see now, it's lifted much higher, and that's going to clear any seams that you may have in your stitching. Okay, this adjustment here is for your pressure on your pressure foot. If you find that you're sliding or slipping, then just increase your pressure. If it's doing a lot of marking on your leather, decrease the pressure. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.